Fitting a reducing set from 110 to 20 mm and combinations, in this instance 32 to 20 mm. Remove the nut from the fitting and discard the white split ring. Slide the nut, grey nut reducers and white split ring from the set onto the pipe. Mark the pipe to the depth of the reducing bush. Push the pipe into the bush up to the mark. Push pipe with the reducing bush onto the fitting until the shoulder of the bush reaches the end of the fitting. Some lubricant at this point is advisable. Draw the split ring and grey nut reducers close to the fitting. Tighten the nut firmly with a Plasson wrench. Fitting a reducing set from 110 to 63 mm and combinations. The 110 to 63 mm reducing set will fit any 110 mm Plasson compression end. Reductions to 63 mm can be made at the end of the line from a 110 mm Plasson coupling, or teeing off from a 110 mm Plasson T-piece. To fit, cut the 63 mm pipe square, removing any burrs. Remove the 110 mm nut from the fitting and discard the white split ring. Insert the reducing adapter into the fitting. It'll be stopped by the internal O-ring. Reposition the 110 mm nut onto the fitting. Tighten the nut with a wrench to push the reducing adapter through the O-ring until its shoulder meets the fitting bushing. Unscrew the 110 mm nut from the fitting. Mount the 110 mm nut reducer, and 63 mm white split ring with the large end facing the fitting onto the 63 mm pipe. Twist the 63 mm pipe into the reducer through the seal to the pipe's stop. Slide the split ring to abut the reducing adapter. Tighten the nut firmly with a suitable wrench. Silicone lubrication and chamfering the 63 mm pipe will ease the insertion of the pipe.